What if you can get an ovation wherever you went? Well, I'm going to show you how right now. In order to get an ovation, all you have to do is do two things at one time, like saying the alphabet and putting on your jacket. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, that wasn't that impressive. But what if I did it in reverse? Like Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, O, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now, I believe that's worth an ovation. So here's the explanation for getting an ovation. You're gonna need some type of jacket. You'll also need a drink of some sort. You can use a Coca-Cola bottle like I used, or you can use a water bottle. Either one of them will work as long as the bottle is not bigger than your sleeve. Then you're gonna also have to learn how to say the alphabet backwards. Most can say it forward, but I'm gonna teach you exactly how to say it backwards right now. You're gonna need a few things. First thing you're gonna need is this. You're gonna need something to use so that you can see how to say the alphabet backwards. Once you have that, then you're gonna need some type of mnemonic phrase so that it helps you out with saying it backwards. We're gonna attach the mnemonic phrases to this video, so be sure to click the link if you guys want a copy of those mnemonic phrases. That'll help you remember the alphabet backwards. And once you remember those 5 phrases, you'll be able to say it just like that. So here's the explanation of how to perform the routine. First, you're gonna actually take your drink, whichever drink it may be. I'm gonna use the Coca-Cola bottle, and you will put that in your back pocket on your dominant hand side. So if you're right-handed, put it on your right side. If you're left-handed, put it on your left-hand pocket. I'm right-handed, it'll be in my right back pocket. And then you'll put your jacket on. Now you can do it just how I did it. You can say the alphabet as you're putting your jacket on, which is not really that impressive, but it sets it up for the actual performance of the big finish. So this is how it would go. You will start to say the alphabet backwards, Z, Y, X, W, V, U. Once you say the first phrase, you would take it off the shoulder. Now, I wouldn't start the second phrase until you just about get your arm out, all right? Once you get your arm out, then you can go into the second phrase, which is T, S, R, Q, P. Now you're gonna take your left hand, come over to grab it off, grab the jacket off. As you do that, right behind you, you're gonna grab the bottle. As you can see, the bottle's in my back pocket. I'm gonna reach and grab that at the same time as I'm taking this off of my shoulder. And then I'm gonna start to say O-N-M-L-K. And then as this jacket covers up my hand, I can now pull the bottle out of my pocket, come around to the front, start to say the fourth phrase, which is J-I-H-G-F. And then when I just about get the bottle to start coming out, I say the last phrase, which is E-D-C-B-A. I toss the jacket over my arm, and then I say, that's worth an ovation. You can take a sip if you like, and then just grab your ovation. And that's pretty much the explanation of how to perform the ovation effect with a jacket, saying the alphabet backwards, and the secret in a pairing drink. Until next time, here's an unusual thought I like to leave you with. If I were to slap myself and it hurt, would I be considered weak or strong? Yeah, that's an unusual thought.